not exceeding 1 year, provided that such person's second conviction of such an offence shall be punishable by imprisonment not exceeding 2 years or a fine, and the third or subsequent convictions of such offences by imprisonment not exceeding 3 years without the option of a fine. Employing illegal immigrants. I want to stress that illegal immigrants, people who come into the borders of South Africa without documents, who are unknown, who are cutting corners, being cheap labor, not only leads to the exploitation of those immigrants. You are exploiting these people, and then you claim we are violating them, we are bullying them. It's xenophobia. The real xenophobia is you. But it also causes the displacement of South Africans from their own country to participate in their economy. Where should South Africans work? Should they go work in Malawi or Canada? South Africans from their own country's labor market, which is part of the reason which such action has been criminalized. It's only simple that you just follow the laws and we all live happily in peace as a rainbow nation. We wish to advise those responsible for this that this crime will no longer enjoy the passivity which has allowed it to be committed with such impunity as to allow the state which we have become aware of in Dragon City, where the staff contingent is composed almost entirely of illegal immigrants. And South Africans are bringing their money here. Don't know why they don't respect their money as well. As Operation Tutula, we demand the following. 1, to receive a response to this memorandum within 72 hours from now. We demand all immigrants who are working in your place to be replaced by South Africans within 72 hours from now. For South Africans to be employed with full labor rights, including minimum wage, which South Africans fought for, being observed. All foreigners must leave Dragon City with assistance from law enforcement. If the above demands are not met, we will return as Operation Tutula again and again and again and again and again in the company of this law enforcement that you take prize from, so as to ensure that those responsible of hiring foreigners in contravention of our Immigrant Act are charged and held criminally liable. So I'm going to sign this, you're going to sign this, you're going to get a copy, and we will be back time and time again. And that's a promise. This is no longer the South Africa that you know from the old days of the ANC and corruption. Can you please add your contact numbers? We'll do it on the other one as well. Your contact number, did you put it? Your work number?
You're welcome to contact me.
Don't you have a telephone number? I mean, a contact telephone number here? Mase sikufuna so bese ngasafoni. So bese ngasafoni mandala.
Amanda, away too. Amanda. Meantime, Basa signing memorandum. I do we must tell them. By the way they exploit people, they don't even want CVs here. They just hire you. So we're going to give them that list. with contacts. This Mamelan, on a serious note.
You must get a copy.
So, Kedas, memorandum here to be clear. It is Bapa 72 hours. Don't go. You must respond. 72 hours. So it's 72 hours expire nini Sunday. So automatically Monday then that will be clean. Ngoba sizobesila Monday. Nibonile communication abayikhiphile kuma social media. Bathi abavuli Monday na Tuesday. Bazovula Monday. Banamanga. Na Monday is called. Na Wednesday is called. But bayovula nge1. Bathi nge8 abavuli. Sesilonile communication. Thina sange sivale itoro. Fane sibe clear. Fane basitshele yini lento abayifihlayo. Babavale itoro kanje. Because basupportwa ama South Africans. So sifuna ukuzoshopa ngeMonday. Let's hope it's going to Mama. Let's hope on Monday it's going to be business as usual. We want to come here and do shopping on Monday. So please open the shops. And on Tuesday, please. Because we are customers. And we want to see South Africans being hired here. We're not begging. We're demanding what is ours. It's unfair that you continue maximizing profit at our own expense. You have been doing that. The ANC government have been allowing you. Mind you, ANC is left with 13%. No one is going to protect you. Because South Africans are going to govern.
Morning.
What we did to the apartheid regime, we are doing it to the ANC now. If you think somebody from the ANC is going to protect you, you must think again. Think otherwise. We want all these South Africans to come and work here. Even in your construction site. They are saying it's what? Phase 6. We are coming there. We're coming there. We know you've got more than 500 Malawians. And those 110 Chinese who are sleeping inside. So we're coming there. It's not going to be business as usual. We're going to mobilize all South Africans that there's work in South Africa. And indeed, there's work. So please, you must respect us as citizens. You came here, you are a foreigner. You came here and you claim that you are going to invest. So invest in South Africans. Because I don't think somebody who's selling blankets, it's a critical skill. Immigration Act is saying a foreigner who comes here to work, he or she must possess a rare or a critical skill. So there is nothing critical here which is happening. You've got your salesmen, your bogus salesmen, even your security guards.
And
we are going to come with Sira. We want to see each and everyone is complying here. So it's not going to be business as usual. What we need from you is to comply. Don't do shortcuts here. And you think you will bribe us. You're not going to bribe us. Don't do shortcuts. Do the right thing in South Africa.
These are our people that will be coming with.
You know, our government, Monday, they've invested 600 million for 30 June. While they don't strengthen our borders. So it means our police officials, they are going to be busy on the 30th.
Very busy.
Even the overtime we call now on the 30th. Because the government is having money to spend on fighting South Africans.
To be against us.
While they bring criminals from Africa. You can't say these people are our brothers and sisters while they are committing crime. They are selling drugs here. They take our employment. They take our jobs.
Our houses.
Huh? They kill our children.
They take our men.
And then you say they are our brothers and sisters.
Never.
Let me tell you, Ubuntu, we have suspended that thing called Ubuntu now, till further notice. If you want to unite Africa, go and unite it there in Egypt. Start in Egypt. South Africa must be number last. Because we don't have a place to go. After here, we must go to the ocean. And they were prepared to take you to the ocean. So you must leave our country in peace. Those who are illegal here, you criminals, leave our country in peace, not in pieces.
Peace.
No one is going to intimidate us. We are voters of this country. And they were going to govern.
We are
People shall
custodians of
govern.
this land.
Commanders, morning.
Morning.
So, Sitting is wrong. What is your name, Mama? Can you remove that thing? Or we are smelling? Can you remove that thing?
She only likes the money, the black money.
Bafo, Unai.
He's not used to this smell.
Ubani Kamala, ngataka kuluma.
He's not used to this smell, guys.
Yes.
He's not used to use this smell of South Africans.
Hey, wait.
You see the arrogance that you are displaying. You see the arrogance that you are displaying. That's the arrogance that you are getting from these
When I
foreigners.
comply.
She is a foreigner. Mommy, what is your name? My name is Piwe Shabangu. Aga kulum English.
Makakhuluma. Or umtolikele ke.
Umsebenzi wakhe yini? Uyini? Yeah, but
No,
we are
Mama.
management. We are engaging you.
You want to bring chaos here. You are bringing chaos.
Manje we are stash, no more stash.
We want a response. We gave you the names. Are you going to put in these South Africans to come and work and remove the illegal immigrants you are harboring here? That's a response we are waiting from you, because we've submitted a memorandum that has got South African names as well. We are expecting a response. You can't be telling us that you are going back inside.
Officer, tell us address. You give him address.
Hey.
Yes, respond, yeah.
Ena ngasiphi attitude.
That's the management. Management.
Who's the management?
Who gave it to us, but then they
Sohamba naye.
ngamani lo muntu akakwazi ukuyikhulumela yena.
Boyisa.
Hayi.
Makangakhona ukukhuluma kancane. Makangakhona ukukhuluma bafu. Asitholele umuntu ozoresponda, ozokhuluma nathi okwazi ukukhuluma. Eze la ngoba smooth singakezwa ukuthi kuthiwani. 72 oseyiqalile kune 2 hours sila. Sele 70 hours.
73 hours.
We need a response. There's a list here. We need a response. These people, they want to work here by tomorrow.
Ene manje sizobuya la uwenze umonakalo. Sizobuya kukhuluma nje kahle.